Hello viewers and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we cook delicious meals and show you how to do simple jobs around the house, avoiding the need for a tradesman. Now today we are doing a delicious oxtail recipe. Make sure you watch the video from start to finish. If this is your first time watching any of our videos, please make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave a positive comment and subscribe. Now let's go straight into the video. Here is my oxtail. I've already pre-washed it, and what I've done as well is just to add some more water with some vinegar, and I've left it there for a little while just to get a nice little soak. So what I'm gonna do now is just to give this a wash again, and then I'm gonna drain the water off. Just gonna get rid of some of the excess water that is still on the oxtail itself. So now that my oxtail is nice and clean, I'm gonna season it, and I'm not gonna cook this until about 2 days time. Firstly, this is some jerk seasoning powder, pepper, some smoked paprika, some ground ginger. This is some steak seasoning. I'm gonna add some olive oil on this as well. Not a lot. This is some green seasoning paste. If you watch previous videos, I make my own green seasoning paste. This has about 13 ingredients inside. Lastly for now, this is some Jamaican jerk seasoning paste. All that is left for me to do now is just give all this seasoning, give it a nice rub with the oxtail. Can tell you, with all the flavors of the green seasoning paste, the jerk seasoning and the other powdered seasoning, this smells so nice. It's almost like you could have it now. What I'm gonna do here now is to wrap this up with some cling film, put it back in the fridge and leave it for about 2 days before it is cooked. This way the meat is well marinated. Quickly run through the other ingredients of this delicious oxtail recipe. Have some carrots here, some green chilies, scotch bonnet pepper, some spring onions, a couple white onion, red, yellow and green peppers, some fresh thyme, and I have 2 tins of butter beans. I'm gonna start to cook my oxtail now. If you remember, this is the oxtail still wrapped up, just removed it from the fridge. You don't want to add too much. Now that the oil is heated in the pot, I'm just gonna add the oxtail. This is about 10-15 minutes since I've started to cook this delicious oxtail. So this is the container that I've seasoned the oxtail in. I've yet to wash it, so there was some bits of the seasoning left inside. So what I've done is just to add some water in it, just give it a nice turn around, and then I'm gonna add this into the pot. This amount of water in the pot, and now I just replaced the lid, and I'll just leave it, attend to the stop, and this will slowly cook. Like I said, you know, when I'm cooking, I like to do things nice and easy, nice and slow, you know, while I attend to other stuff. With the exception of the carrots, this is all the vegetables. I've chopped them up and I've added them in the pot at this stage. Okay, so here's the oxtail. Just gonna check if the meat is getting tender. As you can see, the fat goes chew the meat very easily. So what I'm gonna do now is to add the carrots and the butter beans. So here is the carrot, all chopped up. Butter bean, of course. So I'm just gonna allow this to cook for the next 15 to 20 minutes and it will be ready. Right, so this is now finished. Look at the sauce. Right, so let me just have a taste. Wow, this is so nice. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Please remember, leave a positive comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.